Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you a video that is circulating on social media that is supercomputer has predict the rest of Euros 20 and it's going to be heartbreak for England. A supercomputer has predict England will make it to the Euros 20 final but lose to Italy at Wembley. Gareth Southgate side will take on Denmark in a huge semi-final clash on Wednesday after defeating Ukraine 4-0. Should they run out winner over the Danes, it will be one of Spain or Italy waiting in the final on Sunday evening. Status perform have given Italy a 39.8% chance of winning the tournament after strong showing this summer. Robert Mansai side won their group at center and looked comfortable in their 2-1 win over Belgium last time out. England are second favorite to win the tournament with 29.4% and they have still not conceded a goal. The final being on their home turf of Wembley also pointed to a clear advantage over any potential opponent. Their clash with Denmark will also take place at Wembley. Spain have 22.4% after taking their time to hit top form. To draw in their own opening two games had been many wondering if Luis Enrique's side could be heading for an early exit. But they put 5 past Slovakia and Croatia before knocking out Switzerland in the tense penalty shootout. Denmark are currently huge outsider with an 8.4% shoot despite looking comfortable against Wales and the Czech Republic. Southgate is aware of the test Denmark will offer and called them a powerful force after Ukraine game. He said per Independent, we talk about perspective in sport but we rarely have it. This was a moment that brought it home for all of us. I can also imagine what it was done for the Danish team, their bond. We are talking about the thing we have been through, but what they went through that day, the way their captain was and the way the group was, and how that would have connected with their supporters, that pretty powerful. They are riding a wave of emotion for certain, and that's a powerful force that coming to Wembley. Those things definitely have an impact on your thinking. He added, we knocked off so many hoods or perceived barriers already, and I feel like this group of players will feel this is just the next challenge. I guess the interesting part for us is we won't feel totally satisfied if it's just a semi-final for us. Whereas maybe 3 years ago, although there was massive disappointment after the semi-final, there was a feeling we had come a long way. Now we have replicated what we did there, but that won't be enough to fulfill the group. That's a positive sign. Our group are ready to get to the next step. They are excited by that challenge. And what is your opinion about this? Who will win the final at supercomputer predict England will suffer final heartbreak in Euro 20. A supercomputer has predicted that England will make it through the final of Euro 20 but lose at Wembley are world champions France on July 11th. Gareth Southgate team made it through to the knockout stage after playing just 2 games. For the win against the Republic last Tuesday saw them top of the group. Thanks for watching.